welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you some simple everyday makeup that you can wear in high school or just simple makeup. So this year I'm going to be a high school senior, so yeah, enjoy the video. So first I like to start off with my eyebrows, and lately I've been using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate. So, because before I didn't know how to use this, and then since quarantine I've been practicing. So yeah. Because I am blind as can be without my contacts, usually I do this with contacts in, so I just take off my glasses and I put the mirror really close to my face and look. So this is what it looks like. I just dip my brush in a little bit. I like to start in the middle and draw it out. I like to stay as close as can be to like my actual eyebrows. So that they don't look too chunky. And then I draw the end, and then with whatever leftover I have, I go in the front, very light-handed. This eyebrow is my favorite eyebrow because I already like the shape of it, so I just, again, get a little bit of product. Start at the middle, draw the tail. Then do the top. Then, like I said, and then I put my glasses on to make sure that's how I want them. And then if anything, I grab my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 35 deep font. The color doesn't really matter. And then I grab a little bit on this flat brush. I do the top with my glasses on. Staying as close to the shape that I want. Like if I went over, I cut more. If it's the exact shape I wanted, then I just stay as close to the eyebrow without covering anything. Then I get a little bit more for the other side. some left over. I put it on the bottom. Get a little bit more lower. So then that's my eyebrows. And then depending on if I wear glasses or contacts, I usually wear contacts, then I just use, sometimes I use the Tarte Fit Me Concealer, Tarte Shape Tape and Tan, but because this is more of my winter shade, I don't use it now. But I would just mark it all over my face and use that more as a foundation, or depending on how good my skin is looking, I just cover up a few blemishes. I might use this concealer or the Fit Me Concealer. Or sometimes I mix it. And you know, blend it in. And then the next step is, if I'm feeling up to it, then I contour or bronze using the Butter Bronzer and the shade Deep Bronzer, and just do. Especially if I do my whole face in concealer, then my face looks a little bit flat. And then again, depending on if I wear glasses or contacts, I contour my nose with the same thing. Just very simple. And then again, if I'm feeling up to it, I use some blush, and I got this from Ipsy. It's the Tarte Shimmer and Shake Amazonian Clay blush. I just on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. I use the Ofra Madison Miller Highlight and C Shimmer. Another Ipsy thing. Put a little bit here, a little bit under my eyebrows. On my nose. And then the final step, last thing, is some lip gloss. I usually like to use Vaseline, but this is what I have right here. And yeah, this is my simple everyday makeup that I do for school. And very simple. I've been doing my makeup for high school since freshman year, but over time I've added a few things to my routine and toned some things down and just got some products that I'm really comfortable with. Yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, unless you're in my school then you don't know me, and hopefully your school year is good. Bye. Okay, bye.